Kong Benny, ano po yung reaction ninyo when you learned about the news this morning that Joey Uy has been disqualified by the 2nd Division of COMELEC?
Of course, I was very, very happy about that. Para bang nabunutan ako ng tinik at pangalawa, that I was actually, vindicated.
Vindicated. Kayo po ba ang nag-file ng disqualification case against Joey Uy?
Yes, I did. Upon learning that he is actually a naturalized citizen.
Paano niyo po na-discover yun? That back then, si Joey Uy, according to at least the decision of this division, was only a naturalized citizen and at the time that he was born, his parents were Chinese nationals?
Well, someone called me up that I have not talked for a long time and told me about it. So I began to really study it and investigate, actually.
And how were you able to gather the documents or proof about Joey Uy's citizenship?
Well, I got a lawyer, and they were the ones that actually looked for the evidence. And lo and behold, talaga namang nakita na he is a naturalized citizen.
Ano po yung message ninyo sa mga supporters mo? We understand that you won in the 6th District. Malapit na malapit po yung votes between you and Joey Uy.
Yeah, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa aking constituency na naniniwala pa rin sa akin. No? Of course, in that fight in the election, lumamang siya sa akin ng more than 1,000 lang. So, hindi naman ako yung bang nagkulang dyan. And I still believe that the 6th District of Manila still want me to be their congressman. So, I'm very thankful to my constituency, especially those that actually supported me. We will continue on the fight now that perhaps I am given my third term. No, hopefully we will continue the fight, and the Quadcom will still be there.